Hi guys. So, do you guys remember way back when in geometry when you were given two triangles and you were trying to prove whether or not they were congruent? Maybe you were given some information like some sides and some angles and you were trying to work it out. Well, you learned that if you knew a certain number of sides and a certain number of angles, you would be able to prove that the triangles were congruent. So, do you remember what those congruency shortcuts were? Pause the video, write down as many as you can remember. Okay, we're back, which means you paused the video, actually did, and you wrote down what those congruency shortcuts were. Normally if this was class time, we'd wait and I'd stare at you. It would be awkward. But it's awkward in a new way. So let's see. Did you write down side, side, side? Or second most popular one, maybe side, angle, side? You remember that? That's a fun one. Or if that one maybe sparked your memory of angle, side, angle, always a good one. And the next two are kind of tricky to remember. Do you recall angle, angle, side? The last one is not 3 letters, it's 2. Hypotenuse leg, haha, what if you have a right triangle and you have the hypotenuse and the leg, you can determine the rest of the information. So we've got those. We also have some ones that are not congruency shortcuts. Were you thinking angle, angle, angle? Not a congruency shortcut. And the reason why it's not a congruency shortcut is because if you have 3 angles congruent to 3 angles in another triangle, we could have any situation happening. We have no information about the side, so we have infinitely many triangles possible. There was one more. Everybody's favorite, side, side, angle. I don't know why. I don't know why everybody likes this one. But it is not a congruency shortcut. No, sir. Oh, I forgot. Can we go back? That's a rewinding sound. Angle, angle, angle does tell us something. It's not a congruency shortcut, but it does tell us that those triangles are similar. I was so excited to talk about side, side, angle. I skipped that part. Side, side, angle is not a congruency shortcut. And you probably talked about this in your geometry class. I don't know if you remember. The reason why it's not a congruency shortcut is because there's more possibilities than just one triangle. You could have one triangle, but you could also have 2 triangles, or you could have 0 triangles. And so that is what we are going to investigate today. We're going to do some arts and crafts. So what you will need, some plain paper, some colorful paper, a ruler, some scissors, safety first, and some glue. So go get those materials and we will be back for arts and crafts time.